Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a unbagging, and these are items I got from Temu, or Temu, or however you pronounce it. I've heard it pronounced two different ways. It's Temu. Alright, I am obsessed with this website. I have already made like 4 purchases from them, and I already have my cart full for another purchase. So these are some diamond paintings and a storage system that I got from them to check out to see what kind of quality that they have. So I don't remember what I paid for these. I could go back and look, but I'm going to tell y'all right now, everything you see, each item was less than $3 because I'm cheap. So, all right, we're going to start with this. Now, I knew when I ordered this that it was not going to be your typical portfolio book. Because I think, like I said, I only gave $1 something or maybe $2 and something for it. But I wanted to see how big it was, because, you know, they'll show you pictures, they give you a thing, but it, you know, you have no idea. All right, so I have not opened any of this. I took it out of the bag, and this is how it is. So these are not obviously going to hold a 30 by 40. Now, it is an A4. It has 30 pockets, and it has, well, that has come out, but that's no big deal. It just goes right back in there. If I can get it in there. It's a metal, there we go. And you just take and flatten them out. So this just comes over, well, maybe. And that's how it shuts. It just needs to be fixed a little bit. All right, so this is a 30 pocket A4. Now, I will admit, I did not realize it was an A4 until I got it out of the bag. But that's me just seeing a picture and going, ooh. So, this is about the size of a piece of printer paper. I ain't even gonna lie. So, it may fit those little bitty, this is smaller than a 30 by 30. But if you were to get one of the 30 by 30s that were not a true 30 by 30 and you cut the edges off, then you might be able to get that in there, because this looks like it's about an 8 by 10. Or, yeah, this looks, like I said, it looks like it's about the size of a piece of printer paper. So, if you go to their website, or to their app, whatever, and you purchase one of their portfolios, do not think that you're going to get a 30 by 40 in this. But I can use this, so I'm not mad. And like I said, I think I might have gave maybe $2 for this. It wasn't much at all, because everything on this website is like super, super, super cheap. They say it's like Wish, but it is U.S. based, and it is for U.S. customers only. So you get your stuff all in one bag, so you ain't got, 1,500 items piling up in your mailbox, day by day by day. It's all in one great big huge bag. And I think it took maybe a week and a half to 2 weeks to get to me, to where with Wish, you're lucky if you see it within a month. So, here is a diamond painting, and it has a regular toolkit. It's got drills that come with the silver, and They don't look bad at all. Now, I'm not going to go through all the drills. Unless I have one that's a special. But I don't remember if I did or not. But anyway, they do look good. They really do. So what did I get? I got this one. This is claims to be a 30 by 40. Let me find my... Yeah, okay. So, this is actually a 25 by 35. So, the whole thing is a 30 by 40. But it has 20 colors. It is DMC coated. And if you can see, there is the thumbnail. And it is a sunflower with 2 butterflies. It's very sticky. And it has 2 schematics, one on the top left, bottom right. And it looks pretty clear. You may have to have a light pad. This is actually clear. It's just muted colors. And what they did is like right in here. This may be hard to see right in here. But I think with a light pad, it'd be okay. They should have used black letters or numbers, but they used white, and it is kind of hard to see right there. And then right in here they used black on the dark, so that's a thumbs down. But I mean, it's nothing to where you can't do this. Like I said, you get a light pad, stick that up underneath there, and you'll probably be good to go. So this was the first one I got, and I think I only gave, y'all, I don't know. Like I said, all of these diamond paintings were less than $2, less than $2 to $3, okay? So we're going to put that one back in its bag. All right. Or, well, you know what? No, I'm not. I'll just leave it out. All right, so there's that one. All right, so here is another one. And this is a 30 by 40. And it is a partial. And I think it might have crystals in it. Yeah. All right, so it comes with a regular tool kit. I'm just going to flip this around. Alright, so this is the image. I thought it was pretty cute. And we will take these out and look. It's only got 6 drills. 6 different colors. Alright, so we have some blue. Round blue. We've got some round gold. We've got 2 packs of the green. Pack of gold, and then blue, and then a light blue. That's a lot of drills. There's going to be plenty left over. So this has got alright, that's just the number of the canvas on there. Alright, so they don't look horrible. Well, this is the only 2 that looks kind of dull, maybe. And there's some of the backing is missing on the bottoms of those. And then there's a couple of broken ones in that. But, I mean, you're going to get that with any company, really. So, it's nothing to be mad about. And like I said, shoot, I gave less than $3 for each of these. So, not a big deal. Alright. So, this is supposed to be a 30 by 40. And of course, it is, again, well, nope. It's a 25 by 35. So, I mean, it's not off too bad. Very sticky, very clear. And of course, it's not, none of this is drilled because, like I said, it's a partial. And it's only sticky where it should be sticky. And they do have the codes for those gems. But I thought this was pretty cute. Alright, so there's that one. And sorry if y'all can hear the dogs. Alright, so the next one I have is another like that one. And again, this is just a partial, and again, I gave less than $2. Seems like one of these, maybe these two, I just gave like $1.38 a piece for them. But it has a regular toolkit, and their crystals, the crystals in this is bagged up in little baggies. Alright, so we have got some round red ones, if y'all can see that. Ooh, them are pretty. Those green. And then we've got some iridescent orange. And then there's some red. Then we have blue, some green, some red, and gold. So, those are really pretty. Very pretty. I actually like it when these are actually bagged like this. But, again, it's just a partial. Very sticky. None of this is going to be drilled. The only thing drilled is her earrings and this part of her outfit and gloves. So, and again, it's a 30 by 40. There are 8 colors in this one, and it does have the code numbers on that. So there's that one. And then I have one more. And no, I should have 2 more. I do. I have 2 more. Sorry. The other one fell over and I didn't see. Alright, so this one is a full drill. It's a 20 by 30. So it's not very big at all, but it is a peacock. There is the thumbnail. It does have the DMC, and there's 17 colors. Schematic on the top left, bottom right. Just a regular toolkit. And then here are the colors of the drills. And the drills look good from what I'm seeing. Got some green and pink and beige and purple. Blues. Some grays. Okay. So that doesn't look too bad. Very sticky. And it's very clear. Drill field. Very clear. This one's a lot more clear than the sunflower. I don't know why I keep wanting to say flower. So, but it's a cute little size, even though we know that this is not a 20 by 30. Nope, it is going to be a 15 by 25. Now, this would fit in that. let's see. Yeah, this size here would fit. So this would be okay. So you know, a 20 by 30 or a, what did I say, a 15 by 25 will fit just fine in this. So if y'all have any that small or smaller, those will fit in there. So I guess this is, you know, you can use this for other things though. So, I mean, it wasn't for diamond painting. I just, you know, got it because I wanted to see. So, again, there's that one. And then this is the last one that I got. Of course, you know, if y'all have been on my channel for any length of time, you know that anytime I have a chance, I'm going to get one of these. And again, this is a 20 by 30. Just your regular toolkit, and it has round regular drills, and this is the image. And again, it's just a 20 by 30, it's just a tiny 17 colors. It does have the DMC. This will fit in there too, but I thought that was cute. And then here are the drills. And again, it looks good. I mean, the drills don't look any different than any other drills that I've ever seen, honestly. So yeah. So what do y'all think? This is my Temu or Temu or however you want to pronounce it haul. So if you have been wondering what their diamond paintings look like, well, this is it. Now, they do have others. They have tons, honestly, that are bigger, more expensive, nicer. I just went with some cheapos so I could see the quality. And now that I know that they're going to be just as good as a budget-friendly company, now I am not afraid to buy anything. So, I'm good. So, alright, y'all. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Do all the YouTubey things. And I hope you all have a great day. And until my next video, I hope y'all have a good one. And I will see you later. Bye, y'all.